What is the divisibility rule of 5? Alright, the divisibility rule of 5 states the number is divisible by 5 if the value of the ones column is 0 or 5. So to determine if the entire value is divisible by 5, we simply just got to evaluate the ones place value. If the ones place value is occupied with the number 5 or the number 0, then the entire value is divisible by 5. For example, we have 100. There's a 0 right here, so that means divisible by 5. Or just simply 5. That is also divisible by 5. Alright, how about 15? Well, the ones place value has a 5 in number 15, so that is also divisible by 5. Moving on, let's give you a larger number, bigger example here. We have 255. In our ones place value, we have 5. Alright, so the entire value must be divisible by 5. Let's work this out here. So 5 goes into 25 5 times. 25 minus 25 is 0. Then we're going to bring down this 5 here. 5 goes into 5 one time, giving us a quotient of 51. So 51 times 5 equals 255. Alright, let's give you another example here where we use a larger number here. 7,510. Is this number divisible by 5? Well, in our ones place value we have a 0, so it must be divisible by 5. We'll go ahead and we'll work out this problem here. Alright, so 5 goes into 7 one time. 7 minus 5 gives us 2. We're going to bring down this 5 here. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 will give us 25. Subtract 25 from 25. That gives us 0. Bring down this 1. We can't fit 5 into 1, so we put another 0 up here. 0 times 5 is 0. We go ahead and we subtract 0 from 1. We're still left with 1. And then we bring down this last 0 here. And 5 goes into 10 twice, 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. There is no remainder. Therefore, we're left with a quotient of 1,502, ultimately stating that 7,510 is divisible by 5.